Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This is a logical DI in which it says that there are 11 persons from 5 societies. They have cars of 4 different brands. So in one table you are given person wise cars and 4 brands, and in the second table you are given society wise the cars. Okay, so the same data is present in two different tables. We have to map the data. So basically we have to find out which person lives in which society. Okay, so in order to do such questions is one thing is you observe extreme values, and if you are able to find some extreme values, that is something that's a point from where you can start. So let us look at this table. This table gives you the number of cars person wise. So one person can have multiple cars. Okay, so as you can see that some people have multiple cars of and multiple cars of same brand also, that is also possible. Okay, but one person will live in one society only, right? A person can have multiple cars, but one person will be from only one society. Now if you look these numbers, this number stands out threefold, right? So D has three Ford cars. Okay, now D cannot live in Lotus, D cannot live in ATS, D cannot live in Galaxy. Okay, so D cannot be in these three societies. So D can be either Pristine or Amrapali, right? Suppose D lives in Pristine. So what will happen? The total number of cars brand wise is 2132 and D is 0130. So you are left with 2002. So that means two cars of Honda, two cars of Toyota. Okay, so if you see any of the persons, right, so all have Skoda or Ford except these two people, right? Only these two people do not have Skoda or Ford. All others have Skoda or Ford, right? एक ना एक तो है, या तो Skoda है या Ford है या दोनों भी है. So even if you add these two, you get 4001, right? You do not get 2002. So this case is not possible. So that means D lives in Amrapali. Okay, so now let's make a table like this: Amrapali, Pristine, Lotus, ATS and Galaxy. So we know that D lives in Amrapali. Okay, now what we can also see is like the towers that have less number of cars in them, right? So if you see this, that ATS has like 2112, right? 2112, because you can see the combination. Many people do not have Honda cars, right? So we can check for the combination of 2112, right? Because Honda, you can see that how can it be 2112. Suppose if I select B with B in ATS. Okay, so if I select B, I have to have two. This is 2112. If I select B in this, so 2001, so you'll be 0111. So you have to check for persons that will have this combination of one car of Skoda, one car of Ford, one car of Toyota. Do you get anyone? No, we don't get any such person, isn't it? If you see the table, we don't get any such person. Okay, all right. So B cannot be in this. If you take 1 plus 1, right, either it will be 2. See, there are two Honda cars, right? या तो दो वाले होंगे जिनके पास दो Honda है, या it will be 1 plus 1. If you add these, what do you get? 1 1 2, but this also becomes 2. Skoda also becomes 2. So A का combination, A का combination possible नहीं है, B का combination किसी के साथ possible नहीं है. If I take J, right, if you take J and 2112 minus 2010, so you should get 0102, right? Any combination possible of this 0101, right? But there should be only one here which is not present in anyone. Okay, again we cannot find this combination, right? I cannot find any combination of person or persons making this thing, right? So J can also not be there. Now let us try with C, right? If I put C here, what happens? So 2112 is the combination, and C has two cars of Honda and zero cars of other things, right? So I get 112. Right? Let us find any person which fits here. If you can see that E clearly fits this criteria, 0, 1, 1, 2, right? So we can have E and C, they together can be in ATS. Okay, so ATS has C and E. Okay, so we have figured out this. Acha, we filled D here, but we did not find other persons. Let us find other persons also. Right, 3241 was the total number, and D we filled because D has a significant number. So we'll check for some person without code. 0130. So that will give us 311 and 1. So we have 3111. 3111 could mean, if you have to fill 3111, there are no 3 persons with Honda cars, right? You have only 2 persons with one single Honda car. So for Honda, the combination should be 2 plus 1, right? For this society, this combination should be 2 plus 1. Okay. Now, if you take B and A, so that becomes 3111, right? B and A, if you put, it makes a perfect combination. Okay, 3111, and also no, B and A will make it 3112. Sorry, B and A will make 3112. That is not possible. So let us see B and K. B and K make 3, 1, 1 and 1. Right. So I think BK will make the correct combination. Let us check others also if anything else is also making. J and A will make 3, 1, 2, 1, and J and this will also make it 2. So only B and K can make this combination of 3111, right? So B has 2001 and K has 1110. So that makes 3111, right? So that means B and K are also member of this society. Okay, so we have filled these people. Okay, now we have to fill 6 more people. Okay, so now how will we proceed? So we have filled ATS also. Now let us look for some high numbers. Okay, still if we have someone with high numbers. So if you see this thing, so 2 societies are completely done. Now if you notice this, I has 2 Skoda, right? I cannot be part of this. We have already covered this, and we have already covered this, right? So I can be present only in Lotus. So I'll place I here. Okay. अब मैंने यहाँ I डाल दिया. So what will happen to Lotus is the number was 1321, and if I place I over here, that means 0210. So that will be 1111. So I have to find 2 people that add up to 1111 across all 4 things, right? So 1111, if you find any person that adds to it or a couple of persons, that will do the job. So so 1111, you cannot have these 0000 because they will never add to 1 for Honda, right? J also has 2, so obviously you can clearly see that A is the only person having 1111 combination, right? So A lives in Lotus. Okay, so Lotus is also complete. Now we are left with Pristine and Galaxy. Okay, so 2132 and 0122. Now if you see the people left, F, G, H and J, J has 2 Honda cars and there is no Honda car in Galaxy. So J will be in Pristine. Okay. Now J is also in Pristine. So now Pristine का number है 2132, and if you subtract J, which is 2010, you will get 0, 1, 2 and 2. 0, 1, 2, 2 is the combination left. So J is also placed 0, 1, 2, 2. Now if you see this, you can see that F clearly has 0, 1, 2, 2, right? 0, 1, 2, 2 is with F, but at the same time you see G and H, right? If you add G and H, that also gives you 0, 1, 2 and 2, right? So now it is, you cannot distinguish between F, either it will be F or G plus H, right? So both have the same combination. So here we cannot distinguish between these two people. So either this, and if you see the total of galaxy, that is also 0 1 2 2. So you can say that either F will be here, right? In that case G and H will be here, right? Or we'll take the second case in which J and F will be here, and here we have G and H. So these are the two cases that we will get for these societies. Okay, and for the rest of the societies we have already found out the number of people which is unique. Okay, so let us answer the questions now. The first question says that C resides in which society? Okay, so C resides in ATS. How many persons are from Amrapali? So we have 3 persons that we can uniquely determine. Who among the following is a residence of Lotus? So Lotus we have I and A, right? So among them only A is the right answer. And then we have which of the following statements may be correct but not necessarily correct. Okay, so we have to pick a statement which is partially true or partially false. Okay, G and H are from the same society, right? So G and H are from the same society, it is necessarily correct, right? It is saying that it may be correct, right? It should be typed true or false, but this is completely true that they are from the same society. Which society, that we do not know, so do not mark this as the answer. F and G are from different societies. F and G are from different societies, so that is also completely correct because F is here. In that case G and H will be here. If F is here, G and H, this is also a completely true statement, so that is not our answer. Okay, C and D are from the same society. C and D are from different societies, right? So it may not be correct, it is a definitely false statement. Okay, now the fourth statement says G and J are from different societies. Now G and J are from different societies may be correct, may not be correct, right? So it can be like G and J from same society, G and J from different societies. So pick this option as the answer because it is saying may be correct but not necessarily correct. So it should be something which is partially true and partially false. Rest of the two options were true, one option was false. Okay, so this is the solution to this set on mapping of two tables.